Hello friends, welcome to GED 672, the Philosophy of Education. Because this is an online course, I just wanted to go over some of the expectations for you before we start the class. First expectation is that there is no late work accepted for this course. While you have the opportunity to work ahead a bit, you must make sure all work is turned in before the deadlines. So expectation number 2 is that we only use Microsoft Word in this course. For some reason, when it goes through Canvas, I'm unable to read anything else like Pages. So you could use Pages and turn it into a PDF file, but if it's not a PDF file, it must be in Microsoft Word. The third expectation is that it's your responsibility to make sure I'm able to see whatever the work is that you turned in to Canvas. So once you've submitted an assignment, you can click on Submission Details and to ensure the work is uploaded correctly. Also, if you have multiple things that you're uploading to one assignment, you can upload one and then you can put a link to the others in the comment section that's there before you submit the assignment, and I'll be able to see what you put in the comment section. One problem that a lot of students encounter is that they use Safari or Internet Explorer in these online classes. You only can use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox as your web browser for this course. The other two, Safari and Internet Explorer, tend to not work with the web applications we'll be doing in this class. The fifth expectation is that if you happen to upload something to Canvas and I can't see it, you'll receive a 0 on the assignment, and I'll put a note in the comments just stating, I cannot see your work. I know that you've uploaded it, but for some reason I can't see it. At that point, you'll have 3 days to fix the problem and re-upload it. Then you'll be able to be regraded and your score will go up. But if you don't fix it in those 3 days, then the score of 0 remains the same. You do have opportunity, expectation 6 says, you have opportunity to earn extra credit points for your work in this class. This would occur when a student has exceeded the expectations of the professor, or in my case, my expectations. For me, this happens when an assignment might ask, say, to write 5 ideas, and you would write 7. Something like that, where you go above and beyond what you're asked to do. It doesn't mean that always 2 extra ideas would get you extra points, but I'm able to see that you're trying to go above the expectation, and you'll be rewarded for that. Part of this class is meeting with me on a weekly basis in a Google Hangout. You'll only come to the Google Hangout for about 10 to 15 minutes each week, but you do need to show up for those. I'm going to be asking you questions about what you've learned and about the philosophies we're studying. So then you also can ask me any questions you have about the work or something you read or just wonderings you have about the philosophies. The times that I've set aside for those meetings are Tuesday between 4 and 5:30 p.m. or Saturday mornings between 9 and 10 a.m. Your attendance is mandatory, but you only, like I said, you only have to be there for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you can drop into the Google Hangout anytime during those hours. So you don't have to come right at 4 o'clock if you come on Tuesday. You could show up at 5:15 and you'd be fine. Same with Saturday, you don't have to come at 9 a.m. You could show up at 9:45 and it would be fine. So you just need to attend 1 per week. Expectation 8 that says that each week you'll have an assignment that requires collaboration with other class members. Typically, this collaboration will be only with one other class member, and that person will be assigned as your partner throughout the course. Sometimes, as we all know, when you have partners, one person fails to keep up their part of the bargain. And so the way this will work, it's extremely important that you contribute to your partner so that they're not hampered by you're not doing the work or whatever. But The way it'll work is you'll upload 2 products to Canvas. One will be the final project as it comes out each week, and the other will be the portion that you submitted to the partnership, so that I'll be able to see if you have submitted something that has gone into the final product. Because if you didn't do your portion, then you won't have anything to submit. And then I'll evaluate each of those separately. So the last expectation is that I would hope that you'd feel comfortable to contact me if you have questions or you're struggling with some of the things in this course. You're free to call my phone number, 619-916-6402, or text me. But the hours of 6:30 to 8 on Mondays or Wednesdays, and I've set aside for that in the evening. Monday through Friday, you're welcome to call me between 12:30 and 2 any day. If you want a face-to-face appointment where we would actually work on something together and or I could show you how to do something, you would call 619-563-2818 and schedule an appointment with me. So for now, that's the expectations for this course. I hope this little video has been helpful to you, and I look forward to us working together. Have a great day.